Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create then and now video editing in CapCut. Alright guys, here I have imported some photos to my CapCut project, and after you imported your photos to CapCut project, you have to click on this option to put the transition. Just click on this option, then you are going to click on overlay category right here. Then you can scroll all the way to the right like this until you find then and now transition. So this is the transition. We have to tap on it, and after that you just need to click on apply to all to apply this transition to all your clips. But before you apply this transition, you can adjust the duration right here, and for example, I'm just going to select this duration, and we can tap on apply to all right here. Then just click on this check mark button, and now let's just take a look at the results guys. So this is the now and then video. Alright guys, and that's how we can create then and now video editing in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.